evolution of computer, or we can say history of computer. So let's start. We know that a computer is a multi-purpose electronic machine, but computers were not so much useful as they are today. They have a long and interesting journey of development. Let's go on the computer journey of evolution. Evolution of computer. The word computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. This word tells us that computers were actually calculating devices built for long and difficult calculations. Now, let's know what are the concepts of counting. In the ancient times, people used to count with the help of stones, pebbles, fingers, toes, sticks, etc. and store the information by making marks on the wall, pillar, rock, etc. But the problem arose when complex or big calculations were to be done, so the need of some calculating devices arose that could help a man calculate easily and quickly. Let's learn about some of the early calculating devices. First is Abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device. It was first invented by Chinese Tim Kramer in the 16th century. As you can see in this picture, he is a Tim Kramer and he invented Abacus. It is the most important point, so remember it. Abacus was invented in China. Tim Kramer invented the first calculating device, that is Abacus, and generally comes in your exam who invented the Abacus. Tim Kramer invented the Abacus. Look at this picture of Abacus. It is a wooden frame with rows of wires and beads. The balls that you have seen on the rods are called beads. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven has 2 beads and each rod in earth has 5 beads. Calculations on the Abacus are done by sliding these beads across the rods. It was used for simple calculations like addition and subtractions. After that, Napier bonds. Napier bonds are a set of rectangular rods marked with numbers on them. They were invented in 1617 by a Scottish mathematician, John Napier. As you can see in this picture, he is a John Napier. He invented the Napier bonds. It was used for simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers. Each rod was made of bonds with numbers on it. These questions come in your exam. When and who invented the Napier bonds? Answer is, in 1617, John Napier invented the Napier bonds. And after that, Pascaline, a French mathematician, Blaise Pascal, invented a machine known as Pascaline in 1642. As you can see in this picture, he is a Blaise Pascal. He invented the Pascaline. It is the most important point. Blaise Pascal invented Pascaline. Look at this picture of Pascaline. It had a rectangular box with 8 movable wheels called dials which assisted in entering number for calculations. Pascaline was the first gear drive calculator. It means that Pascaline is made of gears that are used for adding numbers very quickly. It could add, subtract, divide and multiply the numbers as big as 1000 by rotating these wheels. And after that, Leibniz calculator. A German mathematician, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, invented a machine called the Leibniz calculator in 1672. As you can see in this picture, he is a Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. He invented the Leibniz calculator. It is the most important point. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz invented the Leibniz calculator. Look at this picture of Leibniz calculator. It was the first calculator that could perform all 4 arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. After that, difference and analytical engine. Charles Babbage, a mathematics professor, invented a machine called difference engine in 1822. This machine was able to calculate mathematical tables. Then in 1833, he made another machine known as the analytical engine that could work faster than difference engine. It was the first generation computer which had the same feature as modern computer has, that is input, process, output, storage. The most important point is Charles Babbage invented 2 machines, that is difference engine and analytical engine. After the tabulating machine, in 1889, an American Herman Hollerith invented a machine called tabulating machine. As you can see in this picture, he is a Herman Hollerith. He invented the tabulating machine. It is the most important point, so remember it. Look at this picture of tabulating machine. It is a counting machine to count the population of the USA. It is also known as Saracen machine. Its operation was controlled by punched card. In 1890, he invented a machine which worked on electricity for the first time. It was an electrical device which could read data and give accurate results after processing data. It could read both numbers and letters. After that, Mark I, the first electromechanical computer named Mark I, was developed by Howard in 1944. This device was the first computer in real sense because it was more reliable than early electronic computers. Mark I was built using 7,65,000 components and hundreds of units of wires. It was 51 feet in length, 8 feet in height and weighed about 10,000 pounds, means 4,500 kg. After that, ENIAC and UNIVAC. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. ENIAC was the first fully electronic digital computer. It was developed by John Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1945. ENIAC occupied 680 square feet area and weighed around 28,000 kg. It required reprogramming for each task. John Presper Eckert and John Mauchly later on developed the UNIVAC in 1951. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. It was the first commercial electronic computer. It could handle both numeric and textual information. Next, personal computer. In short, personal computer is also known as PC. After covering a long way, the IBM International Business Machine introduced the first personal computer called PC-80, Personal Computer Advanced Technology. In 1984, these computers were very small in size and fast in speed and accurate. Today, several types of PCs are available like desktop computer, laptop computer and palm-top computer. Now, let's summarize. First point is, early men used to count with the help of stones, pebbles, fingers, etc. Second point is, the first calculating device was Abacus. Trim Kramer invented the Abacus. Third point is, John Napier invented the Napier bones in 1617. Fourth point is, Blaise Pascal invented Pascaline in 1642. Fifth point is, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz invented the Leibniz calculator in 1672. Sixth point is, Charles Babbage invented two machines, that is difference engine and analytical engine. Difference engine invented in 1822 and analytical engine invented in 1833. Seventh point is, Hermann Hollerith invented tabulating machine in 1889. Eighth point is, Mark I was developed by Howard Aiken in 1944. Ninth point is, ENIAC was developed by John Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1945. 10th point is, UNIVAC was developed by John Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1951. I hope you have got about evolution of computer or history of computer. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share this video as much as possible so that this information can reach to other people. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.